Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to reserve parking on ParkMobile now. If you want to pre-reserve the parking on ParkMobile but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now ParkMobile allow you to reserve the parking in some areas ahead of the time. Ensure a spot is available when you arrive. So if you want to pre-book or pre-reserve the parking area, then you need to open the ParkMobile app on device. So if you have not installed the ParkMobile app, make sure that you need to install it from App Store or Play Store on your device, and you need to launch the ParkMobile app and make sure that you are logged into your account. The next step will be to find the parking. So use the map or the search bar in the app to find the available parking area. So you need to enter your location or allow the map to detect your location by using the GPS, and you need to check for the availability of the parking area. So if you see any park area available, so you need to click on the option of reserve parking or similar available stop when browsing. So you need to select your parking spot and enter the start and the end time of your parking reservation, and by doing all of it you need to make the payment, and after confirming the payment you need to reserve the spot. And once your reservation is confirmed, then you will receive the confirmation in the app details such as the parking location, time and the price. So confirmation to the parking attendant or keep the app open when you arrive, and it will help you to reserve parking on ParkMobile. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to reserve the parking on ParkMobile before you have arrived there. So that's it. That's how you can reserve the parking on ParkMobile. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.